this Inkscape tutorial, we'll learn how to select multiple objects. For example, if we have these 4 objects, we can select all 4 of them and group into a single object. So you hold shift and then left click the mouse, and then you select all 4 objects. Or you could just use the rubber band selection, which is just using the mouse to include all the objects in the selection, and then they act as a single group. So we can group them into a single object. So if you include all of them in the selection, go to object menu and group, or just use your keyboard Ctrl+G, and then they act as a group. You can double click to deselect or ungroup to edit each object independently if you like. So again, go to object menu, ungroup, or just use your keyboard to ungroup. So you have many options, freedom to do many actions. Again, I'm just ungrouping and ungrouping and grouping, transforming each object, double clicking. Again, you can group 2 groups together. So if you group the first group and then link to the second group, the whole group acts as a single group. So you can move, transform, scale, resize, rotate. So the groups themselves act as a single object. If you place one group above the other group, so the topmost group's only ungrouped if you click Ctrl+U. So you need to ungroup each group by pressing Ctrl+U, going to object menu, ungroup each group, otherwise only the topmost level is ungrouped. So just experiment how these menus work. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.